Probe hold function. When it is difficult to read the instrument display while taking measurement, probe hold is helpful. Take to wire resistance measurement, for example. Press Shift key and then single key to enter probe hold mode. When you probe a component, the meter beeps and automatically records a measurement when it finds a series of stable readings. Press Remove Last to remove the last reading from the list. Press Beeper Soft key to turn on or turn off the beeper. Maximum reading and be generated. You can hold the readings on the display for later viewing. Press Clear List to remove all readings from the list.